Hey vacationers, thanks for joining us today. We're going to go to this hot spring and check it out. It's got geothermal pool. It's naturally heated. Look at the geyser, that's where the steam is coming from. Three boats pulling in here today. Akureyri. It looks like we may have to tender. They're setting up on the side of the boat here. I didn't go out and look on the other side yet. Look in the mountain over there. There's a tunnel that goes through.
Don't have to complain about too much heat. We have had a rather cold summer, but in between always some nice days like this, laying here at the bottom of the hills, and we are passing the old theater and
we are at the bathhouse, Jardebergen. Here you can see the lava flow. We are completely surrounded by volcanoes. This is an active volcano. Steam vents. This whole part of the island is just one eruption after another. You can see all the different lava flow. Pretty cool. It's not the Blue Lagoon, but it's a very similar color. Look, there's a bar there in the middle of the lake. Has a sulfur smell. So you have to go from the shower room to the pool, outside in the cold, only in your bathing suit. The water is completely warm though. Once you get in here, it's beautiful. But it is a little bit of a shock. A good note here is they tell you don't wear any silver, any sunglasses, or anything in the water that will get stained or ruined. This is the little bar they have here. A note, make sure you bring a credit card with you because you cannot pay in advance. You have to pay here at the window. MYVATN Nature Baths. We are in the middle of a volcano field. This is much like the Blue Lagoon, the very similar water.
less commercialized.
Less commercialized. Out in the middle of all the lava fields, in the middle of nowhere. Look at the color out in the distance. The orange, brown, and then green into the hills.
So if you come to Iceland, make sure you do one of the hot springs, one of the lagoons, preferably this one. So this is the name of it. I don't know if you can see it. It's called MYVATN Nature Baths. This is a hot, apple cider.
So there are two pools here. One out that faces the lava field. You do need to go out to get back in. They're separated by a wall. This is the main area here in front of the lodge, and then the bar is on the other side of the rocks in this one big pool. The water's very silty. There's no chlorine in it, so that's why they require everybody to shower completely naked before you get in here. Geothermal water coming from the tank over there completely heats this, and it gives them electricity and heat in this whole area. Look at the volcano field in the background. That's very striking. This is a little colder. This is not as warm as the other side.
I'm going back. Bye. This side of the pool is majorly different than the other side. The other side has more geothermal vents, and it's much warmer. And since I woke up a little bit of a naked, I'm going over there.
I would say it's at least 10 degrees warm.
Yeah.
Chillier here.
Yes.
That pool's definitely warmer. And then the hot tub is even warmer. So we're going to go from chilly to warm to hot.
I'm heading there now.
Let's do it. There's a full restaurant here and sandwiches and stuff to go. It's connected to the building in the side. This is the eating area for the cafe. The buses dropped us off right outside there. This is the inside area. Let's go check out the steam. Joining us here today. Please hit that like, subscribe button, follow along. There's a lot more Iceland to come. See ya.